Hi, today I want you to meet a special person.
Hello everyone, my name is Anuj. I'm a second year MBBS student at Government Medical College, Nagpur.
The main purpose of making this video is most of my friends and my juniors who are NEET aspirants don't know about him. He is a gold medalist with a score of 81.5% in first MBBS.
And as you know, in first year MBBS, we have got 3 subjects: anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. And in that, I managed to receive a gold medal in anatomy as well as biochemistry. So in this,
You may be thinking this topper just studies day and night by consuming the time of other activities, but it's not the case here. He wanted to help most of the NEET aspirants. There are so many of them with all capabilities loses hope just because they can't spend lakhs of money on coaching classes. So he came up with the idea.
is this equality when the poor can't afford the education, they don't stand anywhere in the competition. I mean, think about it, tuition classes range from 40,000 to 4 lakhs, and that's very expensive. And that's exactly what got me thinking in the first place. Back in February, on one starry night, I was on my rooftop and I wondered, could I change this? And if yes, then how? Because I'm not a teacher. The only thing I know is how to teach. All of this led to the birth of an idea that kept me awake countless nights and made me work harder than I had ever done before. This idea seemed impossible at first, but every day the only thing that kept me going was the fact that this idea was gonna change everything. And no matter what, I must work on it. While the code writers wrote the code, I sat on this chair for hundreds of hours, reading the syllabus of NEET again, mastering it again, making notes again, all while making YouTube videos and undergoing examinations from my college. Sacrificing on all enjoyment, life, relationships close to my heart, money and savings to finally make this idea a reality. The idea was called Axon, an app, my app. I can proudly say now that Axon has more than 100 video modules covering the entire syllabus of biology, that is both zoology and botany, catered specifically to the needs of NEET aspirants and explained in such a way that I guarantee after watching them even once, you will retain the topics for a longer duration in your head as they focus more on understanding rather than on memorization. Every single lecture is taught by me, an MBBS student. Each module has the ability to be speeded up to twice the speed because I know how hard it is to watch lectures at 1x speed. Apart from biology, the app also has priceless guidance which has helped countless students achieve their dreams and enter various prestigious medical institutes all across India and now are my juniors. Every video can be saved as an offline download on your phone. At the end of each video lecture, there is a specific column to take a test so that active learning can be practiced. Each test is based upon the previous year questions so that you are only being asked what actually comes in the paper. After practicing this 1500 plus questions, I'm sure you will know the ins and outs of NEET examination. Apart from such a huge question bank, you also get my notes under the column of study material. These notes are specifically designed with colorful images so that these act as an imprints in your mind and they are based on NCERT.
Anuj himself claimed that 88 to 89 questions in NEET 2020 were directly came from Axon. On 21st of September 2020, the app was trending number 7 in education category.
As much as I want to keep this app absolutely for free, there are certain things which I cannot ignore. And that's the only reason that Axon is priced. But I'm catching the bullet and making this price so reasonable that every single person who can afford an average life can afford Axon for a big duration of time. You can also use Axon to request me the videos that you want me to make on certain topics or ask me your doubts. I'll be there for you.
Anuj himself is a NEET topper with All India ranking 885 with a score of 613 out of 720 in 2018. This is the one thing. We'll move to other interesting things that he does. This sweet Medico tells he is a part-time YouTuber, but content of his video is not less than any professional YouTuber. When you start surfing his YouTube channel, you can observe that person loves to teach and explain. We will quickly go through how his teaching love grown. When he was in 4th grade, he used to teach the poor about the ways world worked. In 9th grade, he taught his juniors for the first time. In 10th grade, he taught his batchmates. Since then, he has been giving lectures on everything from motivation to self-help and science. Anuj written his own made notes made available for other medicos. Those notes are available in www.anujpathle.com. The related video link is available in the description. He worked in Unacademy too. I don't know currently he is available there or not. On the day of 21st April 2020, his channel got 10,000 subscribers. Within 5 months, channel gained lots of love with subscription of 97,000 people. I couldn't able to mention the exact figures because when I started writing script for this video, there were 95,000 subscribers. Within a span of 40 hours, it turned 97,000. It may reach 1 lakh by the time you get this video. If it wasn't, just go and subscribe this creator. The easiest way which we can make him happy. In his channel you can find study with me vlogs, story time where he explains about some interesting medical stories, motivation, guidance, strategies, interview, self-development and much more. In one video he explained strategy of Pomodoro technique. Here you need to study 30 minutes constantly focusing. After that taking rest for 5 minutes. Initially I thought they feel good only for hearing and not applicable in real life. But I just tried the technique and experimented on myself. The result was marvelous. It is my favorite now. He is a techie guide for medicos. He knows technology and uses it maximally for teaching and learning. The specialty of Anuj is such that our favorite Abbas Ali, the bone teacher, also follows him, along with other medical YouTubers like Parth Goel and Dr. Kanika Popli. Anuj is fancy about taking pics. You can see some of his drawing on screen right now. He loves to play music, plays guitar with singing.
Can't say how the days will unfold. Can't change what the future may hold. But I want you in it every hour, every minute. Can't say.
And he maintains relationship. Within the age of 20 to 21, he contributed so much. So many of them actually want to know about Anuj. We can see suggestions of Anuj Pachnel age in Google search bar. Follow Anuj on Instagram where he interacts with us. Those who are watching this video up to the end, I salute your patience and please share this video among your friends. If it reaches 1000 views, I feel the purpose of video is served. And don't forget to follow our Instagram pages Medipanda and Curious Medico, where you can learn crazy things with funny minds and serious things with beautiful minds.
Sayang sekali. Lagunya yang enak.